Start by ensuring that the electrical supply is off at the mains. Decide on a suitable position for the shower unit and fittings, leaving adequate space for maintenance. Please note that a suitable position for the shower will have a minimum clear distance of 100 mm around the shower unit to allow for cover removal and refitting. Remove the screw at the base of the unit and remove the cover, service tunnel and bungs from the unit. Turn the inlet connector to suit the supply pipe. Be careful not to trap the earth wire. Complete any soldering required away from the appliance. Now flush through the pipework to wash out any debris before connection. Use the installation template provided along with a spirit level to mark the required fixing holes. Check that the wall behind the fixing holes is clear of wires or pipework using a stud detector. Then drill the required fixing holes and insert the wall plugs supplied. Drill fixing holes through the plastic case in designated areas as required. Present the appliance to the wall and affix with the supplied screws and wall plugs. Connect supply pipe, then turn the water supply on and check the shower unit for leaks. Then connect the hose. Hold down the bleed button to prime the appliance until water flows from the shower unit. Repeat this step 3 times. After carefully drying any water from the unit, strip the cables and firmly connect the conductors. Refit the service tunnel. Before refitting the front cover, you must set up the product to ensure it operates correctly for the user's requirements. Do this by turning on the relevant switch situated on the switch panel on the rear of the front cover. Refer to the installation and user guide for the different setting options. For the purpose of this step-by-step video, we have selected the BEAB setting. Connect the ribbon cable to the inside of the cover. Fit the plastic inserts to finish the unit casing as required, and refit the cover to the unit using the correct cover screws. Note that no silicone is required to seal the appliance. Carefully remove the protective film from the slide rail and fit the clamp bracket assembly tool into the top of the clamp bracket, pushing it behind the spring-loaded clamping mechanism. Push the clamp bracket down onto the slide rail. The clamp bracket assembly tool will eject as the clamp bracket fits onto the rail. Slide the soap dish support onto the rail and firmly push the end brackets onto each end of the slide rail. Hold the slide rail assembly against the wall in the desired position, checking it's vertical with a spirit level, and use the slide rail brackets as a template to mark the positions of the top and bottom fixing holes. Drill the fixing holes and insert the wall plugs provided. Fit the slide rail to the wall and tighten the screws. Fit the end caps to the slide rail. Next, fit the soap dish by aligning it to the soap dish support as shown. Push down and twist to the left or right to lock into position. Insert the rubber washers into the hose ends, then screw the hose onto the shower head. Pass the hose through the hose retaining ring and soap dish, then attach the hose to the shower unit, making sure the washer is in place. Place the shower head into the clamp bracket.